Okay, so I'm going to try to do this real quick. I've been having problems setting this up. So what I need you to do first is go here to uh, click on this. Let me try closing out of this. All right, I can't get in there. I don't know what's going on. I've already restarted the computer. It won't go. So if you could help me out with this, that'd be great. Thank you. Basically, I can't get Price Checker to do, and then when I do get it, I'm trying to run someone's store, and once I do that, it crashes on me. Thank you.